Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. I had every intention of having face cam in this video, but my laptop seems to be going through a period of personal development, and I don't know how long that's gonna be, so just never mind. We'll move on. We'll just do nails. Let's get started. First, we're gonna put down some base coat. It's gonna be Orly Bonder. Then we're going in with some Orly in the shade Nourishing Nude. Then Nails Ink in the shade When in Chrome. And then we have another Orly, Fairy Godmother. We're gonna go in with some top coat. You can see it's marked off because it's not what's in here. This is a top coat that I have bought from a beauty supply store, and it comes like in a big jug. And I don't know what the brand is, but it's what we're gonna use. I hate how wide this brush is because I have such tiny nails. But it's entirely my fault because I chose to use this bottle. So we're gonna go in with a little bit of glitter to decorate. This is Orly in the shade Untouchable Decadence. And we also have a finger paints in the shade Go Baroque. This camera will just not look at this bottle. I'm not sure why. So I've put a little bit over here on this palette. I'm gonna get it on my ombre brush and put a little on here. I want it to be kind of like sprinkling out of my cuticle. Yes. It's plenty. Don't want to overdo it. And then we're going to do the same thing with the Go Baroque. There's a nice little shimmer going. Build it up a little bit. Pull just a few down. Yes, that's a cute little accent. And then I'm going to take some of this Nails Ink, the little gold metallic one, and draw us just a little swoop. Just for a little funsies on that nail. Okay, now's the fun part. We're going to use 4 rhinestones only. And we're gonna put on some of these little gold butterflies. Let's start over here. I think we'll go for one small one. Gotta give that a moment to dry. And then while we're waiting on that to dry, let's put some on our next nail. There's a glob, a bit of a bigger glob. We're going to do one glob at a time, y'all. Alright. So we're going to do a different butterfly here. We're going to do this wire one. Push that down a little. Then we'll get us one of these, like on the pinky. Set that in. And of course we will reinforce all of these once we get them on. Alright, let's let those dry. Let's just put in a couple of caviar beads for fun in some random spots. I'm gonna take the 4 rhinestones only and kind of just go over everything around the butterflies. It's hilarious because I said I was gonna go over the butterflies, but now I'm just basically, or I said I was gonna go around them, but I'm going over them. No need for the difficulty. As we'll put a little blob down here. And then we'll give that a few minutes to dry, and then we'll do another top coat. Alright, let's put some of our mystery top coat. I am going to employ the same technique of just paint over everything. It is what it is. It'll help to keep it from getting away, I guess. Because I would really like these butterflies to not rip off the first time I do anything. And also my little balls. Be cool if they would stay as well. Well, that's that, really. I think they're pretty adorable. They were fast, they were easy. What do you think? Do you think it's cute? The difficult decision was deciding what colors to put with the gold butterflies, and I determined that Nude and Shades of Gold were the best bet for the season that it is. I'm sure you could come up with other ideas that would be even better, so definitely let me know if you have these butterflies and what you did, and if you've got a photo, tag me in it. I do have all the socials, so you should be able to find me. There we go, that's better. I am gonna get you outside photos as per the usual, so you can get a little gander in some daylight. You should be seeing those now. Thank you for your likes and your comments and your interaction. As always, I do appreciate it. Definitely make sure you are subscribed. We've hit a bit of a rut. It's going slow. The views are not growing quickly, and so it's going to take us forever to get to that giveaway, but I just have so much stuff. I want to give it to someone so they can enjoy it. Make sure you're sharing this video as well if you know anybody who might like this content, and I would appreciate that. So that is it. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.